And also tell us what we can expect from the another IT major who's coming out with its numbers today, and that is Infosys. So tell us what the street is expecting and what's the factors that we should be watching out for today.
Well, overall, it's expected to be a good quarter from Infosys. In fact, we are expecting a guidance upgrade to come by, so that could be the big highlight for the quarter. But in terms of the numbers, we are expecting the constant currency growth to be around 3%. Dollar revenue is expected to shoot up by 3.3%, and hence the rupee revenue is expected to be closer to 40,900 crore, so that there's a growth of around 4%. The margin is also expected to show a bit of a bump up, so that operating leverage will kick in, and that's why a 20 basis point improvement to 21.3%. Profitability as a result of all of that is expected to jump up by 5%. A number of 6,700 crores is what we are expecting. There is going to be an impact of the Intech acquisition, and that's why a percentage point could be added in terms of revenue from that. EBIT margin, as I talked about, will be benefited by high utilization rate, better productivity. There's going to be no wage hike impacts. All of that augur well for the operating performance. Also, in terms of the deal wins, Kotak is expecting that the deal win will be closer to $3 billion, while Citi believes it could be higher at around $4 billion. So let's see which way it goes. But finally, on the guidance, that earlier talked about a 3 to 4% growth. The street is now expecting that it could get bumped up to 4 to 5%. And on the margins, however, they are likely to continue with their guidance, which is around 20 to 22%.
Alright, so there you go. Those are the expectations, at least when it comes to Infosys. But private.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.
Hyundai Motor India Limited now proposes an initial public offering of its equity shares. The 100% book built offer is being offered at a price band of Rs 1,865 to Rs 1,960 per equity share of face value of Rs 10 each. The anchor investor offer period opens and closes on Monday, October 14th, 2024. Offer opens on Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Offer closes on Thursday, October 17th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the red herring prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, BRLMs and the stock exchanges.